CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.6 Compare and contrast virtualization and cloud technologies. Virtualization. Virtualization is the process of running one or more virtual machines, or VMs, on a single physical device. A virtual machine behaves like a completely separate computer, with its own operating system, software, and files, even though it runs inside another system. To make this possible, a special type of software called a hypervisor is installed. The hypervisor allows you to create, manage, and run multiple virtual machines on the same device, each in its own isolated environment. Inside each virtual machine, you install something called a guest operating system. The guest operating system is the OS installed inside a virtual machine. It can be different from the main system running on your computer. For example, you could be running Windows on your physical device and have a virtual machine running Linux, macOS, or even another copy of Windows. The guest OS runs independently of the main system, even though it shares the same physical hardware. The operating system running directly on the computer is called the host operating system, and the virtual machines are each running their own guest OS. Virtualization is useful in many situations. It's commonly used to create safe testing environments, where you can try out new software, test code, or even explore another operating system without affecting your main system. Developers also use virtualization to test their applications across different platforms, like Windows, Linux, or older operating systems, all on one computer. Businesses may use virtualization to run legacy software that only works on older versions of an OS, without keeping outdated hardware around. And for everyday users, virtualization can be a simple way to learn about different systems or experiment with settings without the risk of breaking anything on the host device. So let's take a closer look at the hypervisor. A hypervisor is the software that manages and runs virtual machines. It controls system resources, like memory, CPU processing, and storage, and assigns them to each VM. There are two main types of hypervisors. Type 1 hypervisors, also called bare metal hypervisors, run directly on the computer's hardware. They don't require a host operating system and are commonly used in data centers or enterprise environments for high-performance virtualization. Type 2 hypervisors, also called hosted hypervisors, run on top of a traditional operating system. They're more common for everyday users and small-scale setups. Once a hypervisor is installed, you can create virtual machines, assign them resources, and install a guest OS in each one. You can also control how much RAM, how much CPU processing power, and how much storage each VM gets. Heck, you can even set up networking between them. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.